Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Bosch dishwasher wouldn't start but just blinks. Let's dive in. The first solution is to check the power supply. To do so, ensure the dishwasher is securely plugged into the outlet. Plug another appliance to verify power. Reset tripped breakers. Replace damaged cords. The second solution is to examine the control panel lock. To do so, check for lock icon on blinking indicator showing a locked state. Hold the lock button for 3 to 5 seconds to unlock. The third solution is to check the door latch. To do so, look for cracks or misalignments in the latch. Confirm the door closes securely. Refer to the manual for replacement parts or instructions if the latch is damaged. Number 4 solution is to investigate error codes. Count the blinks and consult the user manual for error codes descriptions. Turn the dishwasher off and on after 5 minutes to clear minor glitches. The next solution is to inspect the water supply. To do so, turn the water supply valve counterwise to open. Straighten any bend in the water hose, disconnect the inlet hose and rinse the filter under running water. Number 6 solution is to clear any drainage issue. To do so, disconnect the drain hose and clear obstructions with a brush or compressed air. Remove, rinse and reassemble the dishwasher filter. Verify functionality with a test run. Number 7 solution is to reset the dishwasher. To do so, turn off the power for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect. Hold the start button for 3 to 5 seconds until light stops blinking. If none of the above solution work, you need to contact the Bosch support. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.